Booling specializes in customized blow molding dies for the medical field, creating medical-grade molding solutions with stringent standards. These solutions are suitable for various hollow medical devices and packaging, such as medical beds, urinals, and nebulizer housings. The molds are made of stainless steel to prevent impurity leaching and microbial growth, complying with international medical regulations such as FDA and ISO 13485. Leveraging multi-layer co-extrusion and precision blow molding processes, Booling ensures product sealing and structural stability, compatible with a variety of medical-grade materials. The quick-release mold design supports sterile production in clean rooms and is compatible with ozone and hydrogen peroxide sterilization processes, balancing precision and efficiency. Comprehensive quality control covers design, manufacturing, and mold testing stages, safeguarding medical production safety with zero-defect quality and providing medical device companies with highly compliant and stable molding solutions.